Hello everyone, in this video we will discuss XRP. My name is Michael and you're on the TRADERSVIEWY channel. It was shown great dynamics in July, and what is the secret to its success and what to expect next? Hop in, I will break everything down for you. Ripple is a big player in the world of crypto, and what is more, it tries to utilize crypto in such a way that it might effectively challenge traditional institutions. So its state to some extent shows how well crypto is doing in its competition with fiat currencies. Make sure to stay with me till the end of the video, for I will tell you not only why XRP has grown, but when to expect the further rise. Please write in the comments what do you think of XRP and Ripple, and what do you think the future has for them. So in June, we talked about Toncoin, which then showed a growth of almost 21%. However, July wasn't so smooth for it. The price decreased by almost 12%. The most impressive growth among the top 30 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization was shown by XRP. Its price soared by over 31%. But before we start proper analysis, let me introduce XRP for those who are not familiar with that. XRP is associated with Ripple, and Ripple is a real-time gross settlement system, currency exchange, and remittance network created by Ripple Labs Inc., a US-based technology company. The system uses the cryptocurrency XRP as a bridge currency to other crypto and fiat currencies. XRP, the digital asset native to the XRP ledger, is used to facilitate these transactions and can be traded on various exchanges. The XRP ledger is an open-source, decentralized blockchain technology that can settle transactions in 3-5 seconds, making it one of the fastest in the market. Ripple's primary goal is to enable banks, payment providers, and digital asset exchanges to send money globally, easily, and reliably with lower transaction costs compared to the traditional methods. Ripple's network, called RippleNet, covers over 300 financial institutions worldwide. It's important to know that Ripple Labs Inc. and XRP are separate entities, and while Ripple Labs Inc. created XRP, the cryptocurrency is now independently traded and operates independently of the company. However, Ripple Labs Inc. still owns a significant portion of the total XRP supply. In summary, Ripple is a payment network and digital asset designed to facilitate fast and cheap cross-border transactions for financial institutions. And XRP is the cryptocurrency used within the Ripple network to facilitate these transactions. Like if you want to see fast, cheap, and easy crypto cross-border transactions. What was the primary reason for such developments in July? In general, the middle of the summer was packed with events for Ripple. Let's list the most memorable ones. First, Russia allowed the use of cryptocurrency for cross-border transfers. This is particularly a positive factor for XRP, as it often viewed as a token that provides maximum support for international transfers. Potentially, these steps by Russian lawmakers could have led to an increase in demand for the cryptocurrency and, consequently, a rise in its price. Second, an increase in open interest to its highest levels in 3 months. On July 31st, the figure was $876 million. Additionally, throughout the month, a positive funding rate was observed. This indicates that there was increased demand for opening long positions. Third, the release of a new software update 2.2.1 which fixed 2 minor bugs. This will help maintain the stable and reliable operation of the XRP ledger. Fourth, the number of whale wallets, those holding at least 10,000 XRP, grew to a 6-month high. The figure reached 279k addresses. It is evident that large capital is betting on the growth of the cryptocurrency. Otherwise, it wouldn't be accumulating it in their accounts. Fifth, there was also an increase in network activity in July. This affected metrics such as new and active addresses. On one day, more than 1,700 new wallets were created. This is the best result since March 30th. The number of active addresses on one day reached 47,363, the highest figure since March 9th. Sixth, rumors emerged that the legal battle between Ripple and the SEC would be resolved soon. Seventh, Ripple entered into an agreement with Bank to promote fintech technologies in Brazil. In particular, the launch of the next program is planned. Bank will provide mentoring services, researches, and investment opportunities for promising fintech startups. Ripple will sponsor 2 projects under the program and focus on blockchain development, tokenization, payments, and lending. Eighth, XRP was listed on CME, Chicago Mercantile Exchange, a leading trading platform for derivatives. This step will simplify the process for institutional investors to acquire cryptocurrency in a traditional manner. 9th, in July, it became known that Ripple's payment system is available in more than 80 countries worldwide. The company first began publishing such information at the end of 2023, and at that time, the number exceeded 70, and in 6 months, about 10 more countries were added. 10th, one of the Ripple's partners, the Japanese financial company SBI Holdings, entered into an agreement with the investment organization Franklin Templeton. Together, they plan to enter the ETF market. To this end, an asset management company will be created with shares distributed as follows: 51% SBI Holdings and 49% Franklin Templeton. Several experts saw this as a good sign for Ripple regarding the potential launch of a future spot ETF on Ethereum. It is worth noting that Franklin Templeton already has a spot ETF on Bitcoin, Franklin Bitcoin ETF, and a spot ETF on Ethereum, Franklin Ethereum ETF. 11th, the company 21 Shares is also considering the possibility of launching a spot ETF on Ethereum. In any case, its co-founder and CEO Hani Rashwan stated that the launch of such an instrument is on their radar. He also noted that it is not limited to just America. 12th, the launch of Ripple's stablecoin RLUSD is expected soon. This will allow the company to establish itself in the cryptocurrency sector and attract even more attention to XRP. Write in the comments if you believe there are more factors for Ripple's growth. All of this combined ensured a growth of 31% in July according to the data from the Bitstamp exchange. While many crypto experts have already claimed that XRP could soar to nearly 500, we maintain more cautious forecasts. To talk about an established bullish trend, the realistic level of around 0.95 needs to be overcome. So guys, this was Michael with you today. Stay tuned to this channel. Don't forget to like, push the notification button and subscribe. Also share this video. See you next time. Bye.